Nature Trail by Benjamin Zephaniah. At the bottom of my garden, there's a hedgehog and a frog and a lot of creepy crawlies living underneath a log. There's a baby, daddy longlegs, and an easygoing snail, and a family of woodlice. All are on my nature trail. There are caterpillars waiting for their time to come to fly. There are worms turning the earth over as ladybirds fly by. Birds will visit, cats will visit, but they always choose their time. And I've even seen a fox visit this wild garden of mine. Squirrels come to nick my nuts, and busy bees come buzzing. And when the night time comes, sometimes some dragonflies come humming. My garden mice very shy, and I've seen bats that growl. And in my garden I have seen a very wise old owl. My garden is a lively place. There's always something happening. There's this constant search for food, and then there's all that flowering. When you have a garden, you will never be alone, and I believe we all deserve a garden of our own.